Good evening, HMS. You're watching the Winterfest 2025 Special Bulletin. I'm Lel Tampui.
And I'm Ms. Herlan Wampui. The countdown to HMS Winterfest 2025 has officially begun and excitement levels are off the charts.
With just days to go, final preparations are heating up at the LPS Arena. Students across various HMS branches are busy perfecting every performance and every play.
Sources confirm the stage will host performances by Ruat Pui, Mood Station, and Zai How To.
I can't wait to see Mood Station live.
And I can't wait to see the girls.
For me, honestly, I'm here for the food.
Join us live at the LPS Arena on November 28 for the day everyone's been waiting for. This is
HMS Winterfest 2025.